Okay, so for today's adventure, I'm going sailing. I haven't sailed in 4 or 5 years, maybe more. It's been a long time. And I will be sailing a Lite 28 by myself. So hopefully this goes well. I'll try and capture plenty of video, and it should be a great day. So I will see all you guys soon. Okay, we're on the water. Hopefully this goes well because I didn't bring my life vest. Sailing on my own. Wish me luck. I got my first emergency. My sails came untied, so I don't have any control of the sails anymore. So I'm bringing it in for repairs. I'm gonna dry dock it. All right, we've had a complete failure and I don't have any tools on me, so I have to head back. But this string that controls the sail, it feels like the wheel inside came loose because it's just flopping around. So I can't pull it in. So the sails are wide open all the time, which doesn't allow me to sail towards the wind at all. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to take it home and repair it. Sorry about that, guys. I wish it was longer. And sorry about the on-boat camera action. As soon as I put it on there and put it in the water, it tipped right over. Alright, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.